touch your head? Let's learn about our bodies, starting with our heads. Lina?
Yeah! This is my head. This is my head. What is this? This is my hair. This is my hair. What do we do with hair? I comb my hair. I clean my hair.
Look at me. What are these? These are my
eyes.
Background, kids.
Eyes.
Kids, can you point to your eyes?
I use my eyes to see. I see with my eyes. This is my nose. This is my nose. I use my nose to smell. I smell with my nose. This is my mouth. Wow! This is my mouth. I use my mouth to eat. I speak with my mouth.
These are my teeth. These are my teeth. These are my teeth.
Teeth.
Kids, say it with us. Teeth. What do we use our teeth for? I use my teeth to chew food.
Chew food.
I brush my teeth every day.
Brush my teeth.
What do I use your teeth for?
We use our teeth to chew food. What is this? These are my ears. Ears. I have 2 ears. 2 ears. Kids, what is this? These are my ears.
I use my ears to hear.
I hear with my ears.
What is this? This is my neck.
This is my neck.
What do we do with neck?
I move my neck.
I turn my neck. What is this?
This is my neck. What is this? These are my shoulders. I have 2 shoulders. What do we do with shoulders? I move my shoulders. I carry my bag. What is this? These are my shoulders. Yeah! What is this? These are my arms. I have 2 arms. What do we use arms for? I carry things. I lift things. What is this? These are my arms. Yeah! What is this? This is my elbow. This is my elbow. What do we do with elbow? I bend my arm. I move my arm. What is this? This is my elbow. Yeah! What is this? These are my hands. I have 2 hands.
What do we use hands for?
I write. I draw.
What is this?
These
are my hands.
Yeah! What is this? These are my fingers. I have 10 fingers.
What do we use fingers for?
I hold things. I count. What is this? These are my fingers. Yeah! What is this? These are my legs. Legs. I have 2 legs. 2 legs. Kids, what is this? These are my legs.
What do we use legs for?
I run. I
jump.
Jump.
What do you do with your legs? We run and jump with our legs.
What is this? These are my knees. Knees. I have 2 knees. 2 knees. Kids, what is this? These are my knees.
What do we do with our knees?
I bend my knees.
Bend knees.
I sit.
What do you do with your knees? We bend and sit with our knees.
What is this?
These are my feet.
Feet.
I have 2 feet.
2 feet.
Kids, what is this?
These are my feet.
What do we use our feet for?
I
walk.
I run.
What do you do with your feet?
We walk and run with our feet.
Say with me.
Head, hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, neck.
Say with me. Head, hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, neck.
Hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, neck.
Say with me. Shoulders,
arms,
elbow,
hands, fingers.
Say with me. Shoulders,
arms,
elbow,
hands,
fingers, legs, knees, feet. Great job, kids. Legs, knees, feet. Great job, kids. Great job, kids! Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to learn more English.
Watch our previous lessons too, and wait for our next lesson. Well done, everyone! Did you like the lesson?
Subscribe and join us.
Watch all our lessons. Background kids,
We love English.
like the video and